What's your name?
My name is George and I am 4 years old.
You're 4 years old. Can you read for me? What does this say?
We go to.
Good job.
So now it's your turn.
We go to. Now your turn.
And
Are
you up?
my turn. Are you up? Your turn.
Do you see?
My turn. Do you see?
He likes me.
Good job. He likes me.
Come here and.
Come here and. How about this one? These are some hard words.
Come up here.
Come up here. Good job, George. How about this one?
Go to the.
Who's super proud of you?
You.
I'm super proud of you. What's this say?
We like to.
Good.
He and I.
He and I. And you want to do 2 more?
Yeah. Like to go.
And 1 more.
Will you not?
Will not.
Look.
Good job. Smile. Cheese.